Hello? Baby? Oh, dito ka na pala. I've been waiting for you. Uy, ba't parang tahimik mo tonight? Hmm? Kamusta? What happened, baby? Usually, ang kulit mo pag tumatawag tayo, ah. Can you come closer sa camera, please? Yeah, just like that. Hmm? Baby? Umiiyak ka ba? Namumugto mata mo, oh. Shh. Hey, baby. That's okay. Okay lang. Bad day? I'm sorry to know that. Halika, come here, come closer. I know na video call lang to, pero imagine mo na lang nakatabi mo ako. I hope I can hug you right now. Hmm? You're safe with me, mahal. You can you can tell me everything, okay? Hmm? Okay, ganito na lang. Take a deep breath. Okay? Inhale. Dahan-dahan lang. And then, exhale. Ayan, good. Isa pa. Okay? I want you to breathe with me, okay? Inhale. Exhale. Nice. So, what happened today? Hmm? What's wrong? I felt like may mali kanina sa chat mo eh. Iba yung, iba yung vibe. Wala lang, maikli lang yung reply mo and it seems like parang pagod na pagod ka. Well, you can share everything, my love. What happened? Hmm? Hmm. Come on, baby, I'm listening. Ganun ba? So, dinagdagan ka na naman ng trabaho? Hindi pa tapos yung previous tasks mo, tapos may bago na naman. Grabe naman yun. Yung bago niyong manager? Bakit? Anong nangyari ba? Hmm. Well, actually, may mga ganun eh. Masyadong bida-bida eh, no? Mga pabibo, akala mo tagapagmana ng kumpanya eh. Well, yeah, that's valid, baby. Kahit ako kung na ako'y nasa sitwasyon mo, maiinis din ako eh. Hindi ka naman makina eh. Hindi ka robot. Napapagod ka rin. And and yet you still tried to finish everything, right? Well, alam kong ginawa mo yung best mo because you always do. I know you. You always do in everything that you're doing. You give your best always. Kahit minsan, kahit ubos ka na, tuloy ka pa rin. Pero, listen to me carefully, okay? Hindi mo kasalanan kung unrealistic yung expectations nila. Hmm? And it's not your fault kung sobra silang mag-demand. Because you did enough today. Sobra pa nga eh. Well, my love, alam mo minsan yung problema mo. Minsan sobrang taas ng expectations mo sa sarili mo, baby. Na you're harder on yourself than anyone else. And sometimes, konting pagkukulang, feeling mo failure ka na, but baby, you're not. You're not a failure. Okay? You're allowed to be tired. And that's okay. Okay lang mapagod. Okay lang mahirapan. And of course, okay lang umiyak. Hindi ka mahina, okay? Tao ka lang. It's okay. You can cry if you need to. If I were there right now, iyakapin kita. You want to be my small spoon, right? I missed hugging you, baby. I missed you so much. I'm gonna hug you yung may bed, yung walang bitawan, hanggang sa mag-violet. Na joke lang. I'm gonna hold your hand hanggang kumalma ka. Kailangan mo yan, di ba? I'm sorry, wala ako dyan tonight. Well, I'm gonna be there next month. We're gonna see each other. I'm actually excited. Excited ka ba? Di ka ata excited na makita ako ulit eh. Well, may mga tinatapos lang kami dito sa field, pero after that, I'm gonna spend the entire week with you. Nag-leave ako noon because it's our anniversary. That's why I am so ecstatic and excited to meet you, baby. I want to see you again, okay? You can share everything. We can do everything that we want. But for now, tsaga-tsaga muna tayo sa video call, okay? I love you. I missed you. Missed you so much, my baby. Miss mo rin ako? Sweet naman yan. Look at me, baby. Look at me. Look at the camera. Tumingin ka sa akin. I will never get tired to remind you that you are strong. Matatag ka. You're capable and I'm so proud of you every day. Okay? Na kahit napagod ka, lumalaban ka pa rin. And kahit nasasaktan ka na, nagpapatuloy ka pa rin. Hindi lahat kayang gawin yun. And that's strength. That only shows kung gaano ka ka-strong. I love you. I wish I could wipe your tears. Ayoko na umiiyak ang mag-isa. You have me, baby. Nandito ako palagi. Okay? Di man tayo magkasama ngayon, but you're always in my mind. And I always include you in my prayers. Palagi. I always pray na ingatan ka ni Lord. To always keep you strong and healthy. And I can't wait to be there with you. To be with you. Because every day, lagi kitang naiisip. And I feel bad because wala ako dyan to protect you. I wish I was there. I wish I was there to comfort you. And to make you feel that it's okay to be weak sometimes. It's okay to cry. I love you so much, my love. Mahal na mahal kita. Well, did you eat today? Kumain ka na ba? Mhm. Sabi mo yung totoo. Baby, nag-skip ka na naman ng pagkain. I know. You need to eat, baby. I'm gonna order something. Hmm. Bukas pa yung... Bukas pa si Aling Nelia. I'm gonna order for you, okay? That's your favorite, right? Our midnight meal. Hindi na kasi midnight snack pag magkasama tayo eh. Nagiging midnight buffet eh. Tapos hindi nawawala yung bulalo ni Aling Nelia. You like that? I'm gonna order it. Hanggang 1 a.m. naman sila, di ba? Okay. Baby, please don't decline. This is my way to show you that I love you. Please, huwag mo nang tanggihan. You need to eat, okay? Okay, order lang ako. Mm, you want some dessert? Ice cream or halo-halo? What do you want? I guess wala ka pang sinaing, so mag-add na lang ako ng rice then, okay? And then, sige, I'm gonna order you some ice cream and your favorite orange juice. Your favorite freshly squeezed orange juice. Okay, there you go. Alright, it should be there, baby, in about 27 minutes. And don't worry, everything has been paid. Shipping fee. All you have to do is just receive it and enjoy, okay? Maybe. It's okay. It's okay. You can't pour from an empty cup. Hindi mo maalagaan yung trabaho mo at saka yung sarili mo kung hindi ka okay. And promise me tomorrow nakakain ka on time, okay? Okay, very good. Baby, alam mo ba kung bakit idol kita? Oo nga, idol nga kita. Because look at you. Despite everything, you still care. You still try. You still show up and you still do your best. That's why you deserve to rest. You deserve the best in life. That's why you deserve me. Wow. Masyadong masyado ring pabibo yung jowa mo, Gusto mo ba no tayo movie while waiting for your food? What do you want? Netflix and chill? Yeah, we can do that. Yun nga lang, wala nga lang cuddles kasi wala naman ako dyan. Oh, baby, why are you looking down? Hey, look at me. Tingnan mo ako. Are you crying again? Oh, why? You missed me? Oh, I missed you more, baby. I missed you so much. But at least we have this. We get to talk to each other. We get to see each other kahit na virtual lang. Di ba? Love you. Tignan mo. Look at me. Whenever you're stressed, tignan mo lang ako palagi. Tignan mo lang pictures ko para para ma-comfort ka sa kapugian ng boyfriend. Joke lang, joke lang. Siyempre, siyempre, confident ako, no? Hindi ba ako pogi? Hindi ba? Okay. Pogi? Okay. Kala ko hindi ka na napupugian sa akin. Kala ko may iba ka nang nagagwapuhan eh. Hindi, joke lang. I'm just trying to make you laugh, baby. Cause I'm not there. The the best thing that I can do is to make you feel na despite na hindi tayo magkasama, I always care for you and you have me, okay? Don't forget na marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Andito ako, okay? I will always love you and support you, no matter what. Okay? Tsaka, yung bago niyong manager, ang pangalan ba nun? Si Ma'am Marian? Marian? Suma na ugali. Yaan mo yung baka ano yun, baka kulang sa tulog si Ma'am Marian. Kaya ganun siya, nagsisisigaw-sigaw siya sa meeting. Saan daw galing si Ma'am Marian? Okay. Ano naman ngayon? Ano ngayon kung galing siyang Amerika? Di wow sa kanya. Joke lang. Siyempre, yung mga nananakit sa'yo, ibabash ko, no? Ba't nila sinasaktan yung baby ko? Hindi pwede yan. Walang pwede magpaiyak sa baby ko. And I don't like seeing my baby getting hurt. Cause I love you. Love you. What? Gusto mo ng biceps? Biceps flex? Oh my God. Okay, well, lately, nagiging consistent ako sa gym na nakaraan since January 15. Yeah, and then I tried to go to the gym halos every day. And so far, I think, may progress naman. Look at this. Ayan. Diba? Na-miss mo ba to? Lagi mong kinukurot-kurot tsaka kinakagat-kagat to eh. Di ba next month, pwede mo na ulit makagat to. Siyempre naman, I wanna be strong. I want to be always healthy para mas maalagaan kita. Okay? So I can always protect you and I can always take care of you. That's why I exercise. I work out. Because it's for myself, for my loved ones, and especially for you. Okay? So, how are you feeling now? Don't worry, malapit na. 10 minutes na lang. Malapit na yung food mo. Ako? Well, I guess I'm just gonna go and grab something. Okay. I'm just gonna go down. Bibili lang ako sa convenience store para sabay tayong may kakainin. Okay? Sakto mga within 10 minutes, I'm gonna go back so we can start our Netflix and chill. Okay? Well, if you have a recommended series, just let me know. Merong na-recommend sa akin yung workmate ko nung nakaraan. Maybe we can try to watch it together. Pero kung meron kang naisip, yeah, we can do that. So, yeah, baba lang ako, my love. I'm just gonna grab something to eat din. Kasi malapit lang naman yung convenience store dito sa condo and balik din ako, okay? Alrighty. I'll talk to you in about 9-10 minutes. Sakto dating na yung food mo nun. I love you. Talk to you again later. Mwah.